My name is Kirkpatrick Natura from BSN 1M. Today I will be explaining what communication is and what is its significance. Communication to me is the process of sharing information, ideas, or feelings between different individuals or groups. It can happen through speaking, writing, body language, or even visual cues. It's not just about giving the message, but we also make sure that the message is understood. Communication is significant because it helps us build connections, share knowledge, and collaborate with others in the community. Without communication, there will be misunderstanding, confusion, or missed opportunities in our community, especially in how we speak or how we collaborate with others. If there is no communication, people will struggle to understand each other, and without communication, there's no way to coordinate actions or share ideas with others. Regarding the quote by Andrew Grove, how well we communicate is not determined by how well we say things but how well we are understood. This quote emphasizes that communication is not merely just speaking but ensures the message resonates with others and is being comprehended by the other person.